how to download and install iOS 18 on iPhone XR 11 and 13. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. The first fix is to check compatibility iOS 18 is compatible with all iPhones that supported iOS 17, which includes iPhone XR, iPhone 11, and iPhone 13 too. However, note that some advanced features like Apple Intelligence are exclusive to newer models such as iPhone 15 Pro and later. Now, before updating, make sure you back up your data. Use iCloud or connect to a computer to back up via Finder or iTunes. Also, make sure you have enough storage space. iOS 18 requires approximately 10 GB of free space. Also, make sure your iPhone is charged to at least 50% or connected to a power source. And lastly, make sure that your iPhone is connected to a stable Wi Fi network as updates cannot be downloaded over cellular data. So now, to download and install iOS 18, launch the Settings application on your device and tap on General and then on Software Update. Now, if iOS 18 is available, you will see an option to download and install. Tap on that. I already have installed my iPhone to its latest version, that is iOS 18.4.1. So, if prompted on your device, enter your device passcode and read and accept the Apple's terms and conditions. After the download completes, tap on Install Now and your iPhone will restart during the process. So this is how you can install iOS 18 on iPhone XR 11 and 13. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.